Connect the servo to GP9. Next, go to your HuskyLens and search for object tracking. Before learn, make sure the object within the frame size. Just a note, you can change the frame size by hold function button on the left side. You can either choose to copy directly the code or just download the file. Run the code.